Hello everyone. Today we're talking about our topic here is your school choice, what makes it a good school fit for you. So for before everything, I would like to have a reminder that this whole meeting is being recorded for educational purpose only, and we will keep your information private. Your response will be keep inside the group. So let's get started. That it's better and more okay if you can find a school to go to where you are comfortable and where you can afford it. And in a school where you can learn more than just knowledge. Just like if you choose to study at GFA, you can be sure that you will learn well, you will feel well, feel safe, especially with the kind teacher and staff. Beside that, it is a Christian school. It will bring you closer to God. It will further shape your faith in God. So let's have our warm up. Thumbs up na lang kayo if your answer is yes, and thumbs down if your answer is no. So let's get started. Is it important to choose a school where you feel comfortable and safe? Yes or no? Okay, thank you. For the second question, is studying in a Christian school like Golden Faith Academy help strengthen a student's faith in God? Okay, thank you. For the third question naman, would you know if you choose a right school for you? Okay. Last question is, does choosing a right school can make you feel good and comfortable? Okay. So let's head to our main body, which is prepare for an answer for each question. I will choose a student in each question, and open mic is required for this question. So let's get started. For question one, imagine you discover that the school you are considering has a pros and cons. For example, it has a strong academic programs and advanced learning, but there are also times wherein the school has inconsistent teaching quality. How would you decide if your school is still the right fit for you? And what factors will affect you for your decision making? So let's call Cashrel Felizardo.
For me, I will choose a school that teaches well because not all schools teach the same way. Everyone has their own way of teaching. So you should just help each other to learn. While the teacher is teaching, the student will listen.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful answer. And for the second question is we'll having even if your school provide or meets your expectation in academic excellence and advanced teaching or provides opportunity you have been looking for, but the culture, faith, or policies affect your personal beliefs and make you feel out of place. How would you determine if the benefits of good school causes your discomfort or compromise? Let's call Vega Ronel. Hello. Please open your cam.
Yes, for me, in the first place, the GFA is, for me, will affect their beliefs or relationship to God kasi number one, nagsisimula ang ating pinipiling school para sa kagustuhan natin din sa ating pananampalataya.
Yes, thank you for that wonderful answer. And for our closure, thank you for everyone for saying your thoughts about what makes school the right fit. We really appreciate on how you openly discuss your ideas and answer in the questions. We hope this can help you reflect on what is the importance when choosing a school. Once again, thank you for your time and insight. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.